Hi, my topic is diabetes. Diabetes is a metabolic disease in which a person has high blood sugar, either because the pancreas doesn't produce enough insulin or because cells do not respond to the insulin that is produced. This high blood sugar produces the classical symptoms of polyuria, frequent urination, polydipsia, increased thirst, and polyphagia, increased hunger.
In this film, we're going to explain how your body processes the food you eat in order to provide all your body cells with the energy they need. And also what happens when you have diabetes and this system doesn't work properly. When you eat food that contains carbohydrate, it's broken down in the stomach and digestive system into glucose, which is a type of sugar. We need glucose from food because that's what gives us energy. Carbohydrate-containing foods are things like starchy foods, sugary foods, milk and some dairy products, and fruit. This glucose then moves into the bloodstream, and the body detects that the blood glucose level is rising. In response to that, the pancreas, which is a little gland that sits just underneath the stomach, starts to release a hormone called insulin. And it's insulin that helps our body get the energy from the food we eat. The bloodstream then takes the glucose and the insulin to every cell in our body that needs it. To make this easier to understand, let's look at muscle cells. At the muscle cells, it's insulin that allows the glucose to get into the cells where it can be used for energy. It's a bit like insulin is a key unlocking the door to the cells so the glucose can get in. That way, the blood glucose level starts to drop. But the blood glucose level can be topped up at any point by the liver releasing extra glucose that it has stored.
There are three main types of diabetes mellitus. Type 1 results from the body failure to produce insulin, and currently requires the person to inject insulin or wear an insulin pump. This form was previously referred to as insulin dependent or juvenile diabetes. Type 2 results from insulin resistance, a condition in which cells fail to use insulin properly, sometimes combined with an actual insulin deficit. This form was previously referred as non-insulin dependent or adult onset diabetes. The third main form, gestational diabetes, occurs when pregnant women without a previous diagnosis of diabetes develop a high blood glucose level. It may precede the development of type 2.
When our body is working normally, the foods we eat, containing proteins, fats, and carbohydrates, are broken down into simpler, easily absorbed nutrients. One of the carbohydrates is a form of simple sugar called glucose. It is the main source of energy for the body's cells. Glucose circulates in the blood where it is available for body cells to use. Glucose is the main source of fuel for muscles, heart, brain, and other important organs. Insulin helps cells take in glucose and convert it to energy. Insulin is secreted by the pancreas. After it is secreted, insulin attaches itself to cells throughout the body at places called insulin receptors. Once attached, insulin acts like a key in the cell network, allowing sugar or glucose from the food we eat to enter the liver, fat, and muscle cells. The glucose in the bloodstream is decreased, and once the glucose is inside the cell, it becomes a source of energy.
Other forms of diabetes mellitus include congenital diabetes, which is due of genetic defects of insulin secretion. All forms of diabetes have been treatable since insulin became available in 1921, and type 2 diabetes may be controlled with medications. Thank you.